Hi guys. Okay, we're going to work on the National Journal for today. Okay, so today is September 4th. So I know that something was posted on ClassTag earlier about National Macadamia Nut Day, it is National Macadamia Nut Day today. And although I do really like macadamia nuts, we're going to write about National Wildlife Day. Okay, I also like wildlife, and I'm sure you all do too. Okay, so National Wildlife Day is September 4th. Okay, and the questions we're going to talk about right now is, what is your favorite animal? Have you been to a national park? Do you like flowers? Okay, and since I am the only one here, I am going to go ahead and answer those questions myself. So my favorite animal, that's a really hard question. That's kind of like the question, what's your favorite fruit? It cannot pick one. But I do like dogs and cats. And that's not really wildlife though. So wildlife, maybe bears, especially really small baby bears that are not scary. So maybe bears. I like bears. Okay, so what is your favorite animal? Have you been to a national park? Okay, there's national parks all over the country. So we live really close to a few. There is Sequoia National Park and Kings Canyon National Park and Yosemite National Park. And so I'm sure chances are you've been to some of those. Okay, so tell me about that. I have been to at least Sequoia National Park. I don't think I've been to the other parks. I've also gone to the Grand Canyon National Park, and I'm trying to think of any other ones. I don't think so. Okay, do you like flowers? I guess flowers is also considered wildlife. Okay, things that are living, so animals and plants. And I do like flowers. Okay, they're very pretty to look at. Okay, so the sentence, look for wildlife outside today. So wildlife that you can see near your house is probably things like flowers, butterflies, and insects, maybe a squirrel. Do you have any other wildlife around your house? Do you have raccoons or possums? Okay, and what do we think of wildlife? Do we think wildlife is amazing? Animals are important. Okay, so I'm going to complete the page now. So I'll write my name and the date. It's 9/4/20. National Wildlife Day is today, September 4, 2020. Look for blank outside today. What are you going to look for outside today? Wildlife. Okay, and I think wildlife is amazing. Animals are important. Well, since it's an opinion and not a fact, wildlife is animals, and that's true, that's a fact. But I will say it is important, and it is very important, wildlife. They're very important to the environment and the ecosystem. I think wildlife is important. Okay, and a sentence about wildlife. That's a tough one. I like to see wildlife in nature. That's my sentence. Now color the wildlife. Let's see, what color should we color the butterfly? Oh, we saw that really pretty butterfly in our question of the day yesterday that had the bright blue wings. So I think I'm going to color this one blue. like the body green. And the squirrel, what color is the squirrel? In the picture here, it's gray, but should we color it gray or brown? Well, I guess I'll look for gray. Okay. I'm sorry, I have a fly flying in front of my face. Okay. And the flower, or flowers. Okay, and then I'm going to color the stem green. Okay, now it says draw wildlife. Now you can draw a picture of this wildlife that's here or something else. I will go ahead and draw the butterfly because I do like butterflies. Okay, there's a butterfly, and I'm not really good at drawing flowers with this pen. But I'm going to try to draw a flower. Okay, so there's my picture of wildlife, the butterfly and the flower. And I will also go ahead and post a video for you with this journal so you can see videos about wildlife. So I will